Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, today we are going for a shopping to buy some clothes for my son as he's invited for a birthday party of his cousin. So we are going to buy a good clothes. We already have a lot of clothes, but obviously when it's an occasion, so we usually get something new for him to wear. So we are going to buy clothes plus his shoes. So guys, be with us on this trip. Okay guys, so we're entering the shop, so let's see what we find. Something good to buy for him to wear for the party. So guys, you can see that these all are the decoration pieces. You can see all the birthday stuff that you can buy, the books, stationaries, everything, bags, everything. You can see they all are so good. And t-shirts, they're very good color t-shirts. Shoes for him, there are a lot of shoes, there are sandals, anything of your choice that you want to buy. They all look so good, very presentable. guys, we have selected his clothes. We took a lot of clothes for him, especially for summers to wear because summer have started, and we have got a lot of clothes for him. We brought and shorts and everything we bought for him. Shoes we bought for him. 2-3 pair of shoes we bought for him, and we enjoyed it a lot. I mean, everything here they are so good. Feel like buying everything, the girl stuff, the boy stuff, all sort of stationaries, bags and everything. They look so good, as you all can see. And I hope that you like this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button. So guys, I hope you like this video, and stay with us. Okay guys, so now we are done with his shopping, with my child's shopping. Now we are heading towards the counter, and after that we are going to go home. I hope you like this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and enjoy yourself. Have a nice day, and do visit this store. I'm sure that you guys will like it. This place is very good for kids shopping, and you will find all sort of toys. You will find clothes for him. You'll find clothes, you'll find shoes, you'll find all sort of sandals and many more things in this store you'll find. I hope you like this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.